Hello and namaste everyone, myself Melissa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see the different operations regarding the dimension lines that we see in our plan window in ETABS. That is, we will see how can we hide the dimension lines, how we can show the dimension lines, how we can delete them and how we can draw them again. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button below there and like the video, and yes, watch the video till the last. It may be useful to you, and share with your friends. So let's get started with our content today. Okay, so we will start with opening the existing model. We will not create any new model today. Okay, here you can see I've just made anything. Yeah, I give the name anything whatever I like, so don't be confused. So we have opened our existing model. Whenever we open a new model or we create a new model, what we see a default dimension line. Here you can see this from A to B, B to C, C to D. Now in this video we will see how can we hide this dimension line if we need, and then how can we make it visible again, how can we delete this dimension line, and how can we draw a new one. So first we will see how can we hide this existing dimension line. So for this, go to set display options, and here you can see a dimension lines option is given there and it is ticked now. So uncheck this and apply. Okay, so you can see here all the dimensions line are hidden now. Now our plan view is dimension line free. Okay, so again when you want to make those dimension lines visible, then again tick this dimension lines option and apply. Yeah, again they appear. Now okay, so if you want to delete this dimension line and add another dimension line, so first we will see how to delete the existing dimension line. So first click on it. You can see here it is not being clicked, right? So first what we will do is right click here, lock on screen grid system edit, and then click here. So you can see it has been clicked, and now simply delete from your keyboard by the delete option. Similarly you can click this and go to edit, and you can see that there is a delete option. So you can delete either from your keyboard or from your edit option in the ETABS. Now how can we draw a new dimension line? So for that, go to draw, and you can see there is an option draw dimension lines. Click here. Now click the first point and then the second point here, and move your cursor wherever you want to place your grid line. Okay, so you can see you have created a dimension line here. Okay. And you can create a dimension line in any direction. Suppose I would like to create the dimension line for grid point P4 and this grid point C3, and move here and place it there. You should not create the dimension line within the grid system. Okay, so make the dimension line out of the grid system, that is out of your structure. Again, if you want to create your grid line here, then simply click here, click this. So you can see there you have created your grid lines. Again, if you want to create your grid line system for this line, so click here, click this and click here. So you can see those grid lines that are out from your structure are created. In this way we can hide our dimension lines, we can make them visible, we can delete our dimension lines, and at the same time we can draw our dimension line whenever needed, wherever needed. So this is the property, this is the operation regarding our dimension lines. Hope you liked it, and we shall be back with our new video. Thank you.